Tesla is reshaping the EV industry by taking the automotive industry by storm, introducing the market to its upcoming Cybertruck that holds around a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds along with the air suspensions that are completely adjustable. Tesla Cybertruck is already considered to be one of the most powerful tools that will roam the floors of this earth. It's no shock that this completely electric futuristic beast that looks like straight out of a video game has entirely changed and revolutionized the electric vehicle industry. With its captivating design that's left its competitors in complete awe, the industry has been shell-shocked by the deployment of 6 gigafactories that Tesla is using to house the creation of its products, especially the production of the Cybertruck to be housed within the Austin Tesla Gigafactory. Despite the production delays, Tesla has created much intense anticipation with its eager customers that have already pre-booked this vehicle, leaving it sold out until 2027. So hello guys and welcome back to Entirely Elon Musk. In today's video, we'll be discussing how the launch of Tesla Cybertruck is going to change this industry forever. Without any further ado, let's get going. Tesla has opened up about 6 gigafactories by now and can very well be on its way to creating its 7th one already. This all started back in 2014 in Nevada, where they started their manufacturing for the first time. What comes to mind when you think of gigafactory? Something massive, right? That's kind of an understatement because all of these factories have been built in millions of square feet around the globe. The company's latest factory in Austin, Texas is scattered on land of an estimated 10 million square feet to be powered by a whopping 70,000 solar panels. The main mission of Tesla with its gigafactories is to reshape the automobile industry and lay down a foundation for the transition towards achieving sustainability with its sustainable production units that aim to reduce the costs of production. This will allow the company's EVs to be sold at competitive prices alongside traditional gas-powered vehicles. Let's be honest, the Cybertruck looks like it got dropped off from an alien spaceship with the capabilities of competing and outperforming all top-notch trucks that are being produced so far. The truck is being claimed to have an exoskeleton that is impenetrable, having what Tesla calls Tesla armor glass and an ultra-hard stainless steel structure. This monster is a sports car tank that will go up to about 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a mere 2.6 seconds, which is faster than the Mercedes-Benz GTR, Lamborghini Aventador LP754, Super Veloce, and a McLaren Speedtail. This amount of speed housed inside a truck is simply unbelievable and breathtaking. The Cybertruck is coming out in 3 variants. The Tesla Cybertruck single-motor rear-wheel drive vehicle will deliver 400 to 500 horsepower. The dual-motor all-wheel drive vehicle will produce 690 horsepower. And the most powerful out of the 3 is the Tesla Cybertruck trim-motor all-wheel drive vehicle, which will produce 800 horsepower, which is more than the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Coupe even produces. This is incredible. I think we've showed off enough of how this Cybertruck will beat supercars in acceleration. Now let's talk about how they produce so much power. The Cybertrucks will possess 4680 battery cells that will boost the range by 16%, as these cells can store 14% more energy than the current 2170 cells which power Tesla's current cars. It is estimated that the truck will have to have a 200 kilowatt-hour battery in order to meet its claimed 500-mile range. This is where the gigafactories are going to play a major role in the entire picture. Currently, the Gigafactory in Nevada is where Tesla began producing batteries back in 2017. The Gigafactory in New York is where they have to set up their production of solar roof tiles late in August 2017. The newest Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, aims to reduce production costs fairly as Tesla has accelerated the production of lithium-ion batteries at this new Gigafactory, which will ultimately reduce the cost of the Cybertruck. Suppliers of the stainless steel for the Cybertruck have also opened a steel mill in Sinton, Texas, to reduce supply chain costs in transporting the steel to Tesla, all of which is going to reduce the production price and eventually the cost of the Cybertruck greatly. What this means is that due to the new Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, Tesla will be able to accelerate its Cybertruck deliveries in order to meet the demand and satisfy its production goals in the future. The sustainable production plant at the Gigafactory will ultimately reduce the EV production costs and revolutionize the entire automotive industry because currently EV production costs are higher compared to the competitor gas-powered vehicles simply due to the more complex production needs of EVs. But with the Cybertruck plant in Austin, Tesla will be able to reshape the automotive industry prices. At a surprising price of $39,000, the Cybertruck is already influencing the entire EV industry to produce more cost-effective vehicles in order to promote the use of sustainable energy-powered vehicles. If this happens, the EV industry will be able to increase its sales and take over the entire automotive industry with a big bang. Most of us are already seeing cool electric vehicles on the road, but the price tag is usually what makes us reconsider buying them when compared to gas-powered vehicles. If this problem is solved, the world would entirely shift to EVs. 70,000 solar panels at the Cybertruck Gigafactory will be able to sustainably provide the entire power to the factory. This state-of-the-art factory is a game changer for the EV industry. Such a sustainable factory not only benefits the environment but also influences the entire industry to uptake new initiatives in efforts of showing environmental responsibility. Sustainability through Tesla's paint booth dry filter technology at the Cybertruck Gigafactory is estimated to save 2.7 million gallons of water yearly. This is impressive stuff, we must say, because Tesla is not only focusing on profits but also the future of this industry. The massive scale which Tesla aims to reach through the Cybertruck Gigafactory will allow Tesla to produce its aimed goal of rolling out 1.5 million vehicles in 2022. The most interesting thing at this factory is the in-house ability for the production of cells. Battery cells are a major component of EV production and a cost-determining fact for the company because now, since the cells are going to be produced by Tesla at the same facility as they are setting up the production plant for the Cybertruck, this will allow them to optimize their production process and become more cost-efficient. We know that you are just as much more curious about seeing how the futuristic Cybertruck factory is going to be surprising us with new technologies they're going to be implementing in the production process of the much-awaited Cybertruck. For now, all we can say is that we hope that Tesla does not keep us waiting much longer to finally have these bad boy Cybertruck beasts. The Cybertruck is all set to be rolled out through 2023. We can only expect to see what will happen to the EV industry once these Cybertrucks take over the market. It won't be a surprise if we see a price drop in new EV vehicles as well, because competitors are already fearful of Tesla's impact with the new Gigafactory and the Cybertruck. That's a wrap for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, press the like button. We're sure that your friends will also like it, so make sure to share it with them. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn everything there is about Elon Musk, and click the bell icon to get updated about our latest videos. If you have any questions or comments regarding today's video, make sure to write them down in the comment section. You can also tell us the things that you would like to see in our future videos. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, adios.